It's entirely different to anything that I have experienced ever before. This is the farthest that I travel for a conference, but it is absolutely worth it.
GIDS is hands down one of my favorite conferences to speak at. I've been coming to Bengaluru now for over a decade, and everything from the bright-eyed enthusiasm of the delegates in my sessions, to the questions and answers after my sessions, to all of the selfies that we all take together. This really makes this a real treat to attend as a speaker, hopefully just as enjoyable as a delegate as well.
So one of the things, what makes a great conference? I'll tell you that, when you are in a conference, when you don't really see things being organized and things being done, that's when you realize that things are being done correctly. When things look almost effortless is when you know that a lot of effort has gone into it. I've got the deepest respect for the conference organizers. They've done a wonderful job over the years.
Out of all the events, I probably go to 25 or 30 conferences a year, and this is the farthest that I travel for a conference, but it is absolutely worth it. It's amazing how you can travel halfway around the world, spend 20 or 30 hours on a plane, and come out energized. And that is entirely because of all of the delegates, all of the people who come and make this event what it is. There's just so much energy, it's palpable. That the delegates here just kind of give us that energy and we give it back, and it creates that very special, uniquely GIDS experience.